Hey, Will, look, Coco's holding the bait up there. Look at that cat.
Will, show Papa the things you do with the cats.
He's doing pretty well.
Okay. Alright, Coco. Get this.
See if Coco will do it. Oh, that's funny.
Wow, welcome.
Look at that cat.
What are they doing?
They're doing very well, thank you.
Papa didn't see what they were doing. Papa didn't see this. Oh no.
Oh no. Trina, I want the wine out. I want the wine out, Trina. I want the wine out. Trina, I
That
want the wine out.
was caught on it.
It's fine, Trina. I got it. Just let her go. It's one thing I got. I want the wine out.
It's stuck on it.
You know, look at Coco.
It's stuck on it.
Has come out of his shell, her shell. Look, all the sparkly. You got a new lure.
Will, don't.
Careful, Will.
I can help you with that. Wait,
Grandpa, it's stuck on this. Don't even think about pulling it. Grandpa,
I'll get it out.
it's stuck on my pole.
I was
Not
standing.
that. Not.
Give me the lure.
Grandpa.